the government option, and that was going to be a mandate, and that's how you were going to lose the health insurance that you had. It was designed to fail so as to have the public clamoring for a fix. The way the leftists do these things, they know you don't want government-run health care. They know you don't want the DNC running health care. They know you'd never support it, so they design a system, Obamacare, which looks good on paper, got all these great intentions behind it, but then in practice it just doesn't work. Too complicated, too convoluted. And after a while, the American people demand that somebody do something about it. The American people demand it, and the left is there waiting to act on the demand, go full-fledged single payer, and that was the grand design. Well, one thing happened. Trump got elected, and we were able to get rid of the original personal mandate, and that took the guts out of Obamacare. Now Obamacare is before the Supreme Court on the constitutionality of a whole bunch of it. So they've got their plan on the Democrat side, and it is to take away your health insurance if you get it at work. So just as Biden can sit there and laugh and shake his head when Trump says you're going to destroy oil and gas, when that's exactly what Biden intends to do. Same thing with health care. They make it look like that's outrageous. You think we're going to cancel 160 people's health, but they are. So it really is a mean trick that they're trying to pull off here, all for the sake of government being in control of it, and once again limiting your mobility and limiting your freedom, limiting any kind of option that you might have with your own health care. This is why it was so important, I think, for Trump to continue to run as an outsider, ran for president because of insiders like Biden, ran to reverse course, make America great again, making the point we got to keep the country open while fighting the virus. I mean, there Trump was. He was strong on jobs. He was strong standing up to the Chi-Coms. He was strong on staying out of wars, strong on energy independence. It was such a big thing to brag